minutes. Now look at it. So CBSE question paper, when we are analyzing, listen very carefully here. So when you are analyzing the question paper, you will see that distance related question, shortest distance related question is there. Our topics must be very clearly inside us. Understand not? See, from past 7 to 8 years, when you will see the analysis from vector section, they will definitely asking image of a point, then parallel two vectors are parallel, their shortest distance between them, intersecting point, like that. You see this question, this is an MCQ. We can expect this question in 2 marks or 3 marks, but rather than giving 2 to 3 marks, they have given this question in MCQ. So that means distance finding formula. So by seeing the MCQ, you can think that they have asked shortest distance. You read this question, a bird flies through a distance in a straight line given by the vector this. A man standing beside the straight railway track this. So track and the bird direction distance they ask. So it is totally shortest distance formula based question. Understood not? Now second part again distance they are asking from y-axis. Last class in vectors when I started I told you now distance related to one some axis questions they were 100% asked. Please kindly read that part. Now beta last class also when I was discussing we did this type of questions now. Now CBSE again released 2a vector dot I dot I, b vector dot j, c vector, and then they are asking the final component. Understood or not? So you need to be very careful. After that you see 2 questions of linear programming they have given very nicely and they have asked visibility. Understood or not? So next question visually you 10 questions will not see. After that a question came directly from probability. And that question was not so much board question. It's easy. You get direct question. And that is NCRT question. Now next part, assertion reason. What we did not expect, like inverse trigonometry will come in MCQs. Understood or not? Inverse trigonometry will come in. Sadhana, very nice decision to come in class. Thank you so much. So now look here. So here, this is formula based part. Assertion reason they're asking of inverse trigonometry. First, you analyze CBSE sample paper, 60% guided, strict guided from sample paper, you will be getting the questions. Next part, if you are seeing a direct question from vector coming and that is dependent on guided by definition. So that means whatever chapters are there, inverse trigonometry, vectors, probability, understood? Their formulas, definite integrals, their formulas directly, restrictly they are using for asking cases. Understood or not? So you please use that. So every chapter, the theorem and the definition and the formulas will be exactly one basic sections for 2 questions, that is assertion and reason. Understood? So all the formulas one time we have to be inside our brain so that we can be able to attempt assertion and reason. Now next section when you are doing, you will be seeing a direct strict question from inverse trigonometry. Yesterday we did that. So confidence level is high. You see this question came for differentiation, not a so big question. You will be able, now you see these questions. Indefinite integral question for 2 marks, lengthy. They are reflecting only one thing. Question will be lengthy. It will take time for you to analyze and solve the question. See here, most of the time area of shaded region means when you are finding shaded region, you are finding both the regions. But clear cut, they have given only one region. So when you will be taking the part, it is coming directly 2 lines are there, shaded region, one parabola is there. By seeing and analyze this part, it will come 0 to 2. See, no equations given. X square is equal to y. And here line is exactly y is equal to 4. So when it intercept, x value will come plus minus 2. So with this you have to solve the question. So this is exactly conceptual based question where your thinking capacity will help you, guide you in the examination to write the question. Because no equation given, but here is the equation. Y is equal to 4 and x square. So if you will be in my place, what you will do? So just check. Here x square is equal to y and this line is intersecting. It is y is equal to 4. That means directly x square is equal to 4. Take root, x is coming as plus minus 2. So intercept point here is coming as minus 2. Intercept point coming here is plus 2. I'm okay. So then this part is there. Now only this much region you have to find. I hope you might have understood. So lower boundary limit is 0, upper boundary limit is 2. Got it? And whenever you will find the area, it will become what 0 to 2 by dx. And here y is equal to x square dx 0 to 2. This is the content. Understood? To find the area. Only one segment only you need to use to find that area. So that means you do not have to waste your time. Function part. Yesterday also I told. Today again I am telling. You see this questions median related. That was I told you have median related questions. Do it. See median related question came for how much marks? 2 marks. So one more time when final revision we will do. We will solve these type of median related question. First day in Fickle Kondram. We discussed now. So now here again it is coming. See these type questions in differential equation is still not done. We have to do. Correct now? So these two questions, spherical ball. Today our target is these type questions. Increasing and decreasing functions. So increasing and decreasing functions, you see modulus also is there in target. So modulus also indefinite integrals we have to do. Are you understanding what roadmap we have to follow? So if this paper is 30% difficult now, 110%, the paper will be up only. It will not be down. Understood? This is the standard generated by CBSE. कि भाई see this question. ये question के ऊपर आएगा, नीचे नहीं आएगा. Understood? This question will go above this. Below standard, they will not give. So this is the standard for this year CBSE sample paper. So that means question will go up of it, not down. So we have to prepare above. Modulus is clear cut in the statement. We need to solve modulus questions. Whatever modulus questions are there. Next you see integration. Ellipse is there. Understood? So two things we need to practice. Like this whole structure formula based. Another one is intercept like this. Are you understanding the guidance what I'm giving you? Are you getting it? So we are going to clash both the things together and solve. Understood? So with this chapter analysis in home also if you are practicing, practice with all this keeping state of mind. I'm sending this sample paper in the group itself. Every time you see the sample paper, analyze what I said and go above that and prepare. Understood? Now with the next part, if you will see, I want to show you one thing. Vector has ruled out most of the part. Correct now? Where other segments are taking case studies and all. Here you see again find the distance. So this year distance related question is damn important for you. Do it nicely. Skew symmetric, skew lines, everything should be in our target and specifically we will hit that area only again and again. Next point you see the point of intersection of the line parallel to z-axis. Do you see one axis related question they have given? So 100% axis related question is in our target. We will do that. Okay. Next part you see one direct question came from LPP to draw. So all LPP, all NCRT question only you are doing now, case over. But visibility related question will come for MCQs. This is our target again. Understood? So when we will start the chapter, you see visually impaired means they are giving word problems. Are you understanding? For them word problem, for us direct question. So we are not going to do that. We are going to follow both word problem also and direct also. Now look here. Mehul and Rashi are seeking admission in a college. Probability is coming direct here. So only I told 2 days specifically we need. Before question also you will not be able to target it. Here also can you say me is it additional? Which formula you are going to? Conditional probability, independent, mutual, multiple, what is the use? You read the question and tell me. And this question is for 3 marks. Is this question in NCRT book? No. Now you understood. So our standard is above this. We have to prepare above this. So only I told please come offline and First, listen me carefully. See this finding x, y, z. Sure shot in our target. So two questions, not direct. One is LPP, second is this segment. Whatever is there, don't leave these two sections. Prepare very thoroughly and go for examination. You're understanding? So sample paper of CBSE teaches you two things. Every year we do that, and every year we are getting success. Understand or not? So what we are doing is, first we'll understand that which section of the chapter they had gripped, that section of the chapter what they have gripped, we have to go above that only. Understood? And that sections from there 25% we can do. Okay, so now look here, this question, log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square. Understood? So this type questions we are going to practice. Highlight method, what application we will do that. And here again direct question here. See this question, first you have to differentiate and then you have to solve. Student will get confused that in NCERT book nothing like XY is written. But first work, what you have to do? First work is you have to first differentiate. After differentiation, you release y and then integrating factor related question it is. Understood or not? So you have to first solve like that. Next part is e to the power x by y. So whenever e to the power x by y, we will be talking about e to the power x by y. That always you are taking y is equal to vx now, because x is up. This time you are going to take x is equal to by. Understood or not? So everything here you have to set, and then you have to start your examinations. Next part is, you see the question paper. Analysis is totally done. The entire question paper you are seeing, integration, differentiation, some sections are there. Vectors has dominated the chapter. You are seeing now, where MCQs are totally based on differentiation, integration, vectors has ruled out the massive score sections. Correct now? 5 mark question we are seeing vectors, 3D. 3 marks question we are seeing 3D. So our analyzation has to be pakka that with this sections we are going to do very thoroughly and then going for writing examination. You see how many questions they have given for indefinite integral? Only one question they have given. Definite and indefinite. So that means, but that question also came twisted. It is not written here. So that means what? We have to accept some type of questions which will be twisted, not straightforward. Correct now? Now you see one question they have given. One question they have given, optimize traffic flow, analyzing this. Now you see A to C, transitivity, reflexivity, relation came in case study. Relation part came in case study. The second segment is red bulb globe, parabola, increasing, decreasing function came. Definite integral part came. Last is probability, as you already know that the probability is going to be the most important shot for this. So definitely you have to, we have to check this point. So are you understanding? Are you now clear? The sample paper I'm going to release in your group. Study the sample paper nicely, and then we have to go 2 steps up of this. So continuity, how many marks continuity came? How much marks? 1 mark they have devoted for continuity. Understood? But we will do one 3 mark question and one 2 mark questions, so that we will be damn sure like whatever questions they will ask, we will do it. First, I will teach you basics of continuity one more time. It will take 2 to 3 classes of continuity and differentiability. Full shot we will finish. Evening 7 o'clock, if I am catching you here, from here, if I won't be able to go there, then 7 to 10, please kindly be with me. Is it possible for you? Today some work, you know that I told you before starting the class. Just now, full time, and Kishore. Before that, important question will be there in your group for 3 hours to practice. I will not let you stay free. That's my commitment. Questions will be there in your group. सर जोक तो अच्छा था, काम नहीं करेगा मेरे ऊपर. Okay, then shall we start? See, continuity and differentiability, four patterns we will do maximum, and after that we will release that. Ready? So for continuity, take out your note. We saw continuity questions now. Method is same. You know the method, continuity and differentiability. I'm giving you some questions, get ready. First question, note down. All the formulas you have practiced? Wow. Sometimes face is telling all the truth. Yes, I have practiced. This confidence is there. See their faces. Ready or not for continuity? See, beta. I'm starting from the beginning. I'll be sending you questions also, but practice is needed. Okay. So I'm going to solve one question. Go for it, please. Your question is, first question is, f of x is equal to, see, for MCQs, our main focus will be MCQ. We will first prepare MCQ and do it. Huh? F of x is equal to e to the power 3x minus e to the power minus 5x. See, 7 to 10 questions of continuity we will do. Please. By x, if x is not equal to 0, k, if x is equal to 0, is continuous at x is equal to 0. Find k. Like this type question only came in exam sample paper. So finding variables we are going to use 3, 5, 2, 8. And your time starts now. Everybody start solving the question, please. If you will talk, please 100% to talk. Go home and keep up. This is not the time to talk. I'm ready to move. After that, this is your friend. Do it. One formula is needed here. Please understand. This formula is, please check this one out. Limit. See, this formula note down. Limit x tends to 0, e to the power x minus 1 by x equal to 1. Some formula of limit I am giving you again before examination. Okay, answer is the Sadhana is given answer. Now because some formulas I am giving till then you people are rating. Sin x by x is equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, cos x is equal to 1. Write this formula. Limit x tends to 0, tan x by x is equal to 1. Understood? Write these formulas, please, so that you cannot get misguided. Chirag. Come on, do it, please. Do it. So, beta, here now, two things are there. One small shot we are going to play and we will be getting. See, it is continuous. It is given in MCQ. Are we going to waste too much of time? No. We will use our consigns and we will play it safe to get the values. Correct now? One simple technique we are going to attempt to solve this question. Formula is also ready here. Correct? That means left hand limit and right hand limit both are same, and that will be equal to center value. So if somebody will tell you to solve this question, then what we are going to do? Limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. So that is what? Left, center and right. All the three values are supposed to be same if it is continuous. Correct? This is the basic rule for continuity. I hope everybody is understanding here. So this is the basic rule for continuity. My name Now look here. So here left, center, all values are there. So now center, they have already given the value equal to k. Now basically left side, because it is extending to 0. 0 plus minus also you do means it is not going to create a big change. Correct now? We will play with RHS. RHS is our safe side. LHS minus is coming, RHS we will take safe side. So what we will do? We will write here, just directly check limit x tends to 0 plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus. Sir, here nothing will change. Here x not equal to 0 means left hand limit also and right hand limit also. Same this one you are going to use. Understood? Center value what you are going to take? K. But left and right you are going to take this one. Okay? So once you have written here, what you are going to do next? You will say that okay, this f of x is coming as, what is your formula given? E to the power 3x minus e to the power 3x minus e to the power minus 5x by x, and this will be equal to k, center value. Correct now? Direct can be applied. So here what was our formula? Can you check this one out? Here e to the power x minus 1 by x is equal to 1. So here check this one. I will do only one thing. See, check here nicely. I will take it x tends to h tends to 0. It will become e to the power 3h minus e to the power minus 5h by 0 plus h will become h. How I did it? Millions of times I taught in the class. What I said, let x is equal to 0 plus h. Since x tends to 0 plus, therefore h tends to 0 for all h is greater equal 0. Story over. We can transform into this format. After this, what we are going to do? Come on, say. Divya. We will add 1 and we will subtract 1. Plus 1 and minus 1. Understood? And everything is equal to h. So once you will be going to this area, one time directly you can take like this, Navita. You can write here as limit h tends to 0, e to the power 3h minus 1. Take minus common from plus side. It will become this one side over, and then e to the power minus 5h minus 1. By down what is h. Done? So now we can separate it out. See, here is the main logic. When you are writing a plus b by c, it means a by c plus b by c. Can we do like that? Can we separate it out? Please check carefully. After this, what we can do? We can write limit h tends to 0, e to the power 3h minus 1 by h minus e to the power minus 5h minus 1 by h. But here what is given? 3. So we need to multiply here 3 and here we need to multiply here 3. Now here what is written? Minus 5. So here minus 5 we will do and here minus 5 we will multiply. Now this comes under that formula. What is the formula? Limit h tends to 0, e to the power x minus 1 by x is equal to 1. So boss, this one will become 1. So this is 3 minus of minus 5. So it will come 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So k value is coming as 8. Chennai. Understood? So k value is coming from, directly we are writing k as 8. Did you got it, beta? But I wrote this much. In exam, if you will sit for doing this much, you will not get time. In rough column, if you are not writing limit also, you just be focused towards the center part. Are you understanding? Your focus should be only into this area to resolve this and make it equal to k. Understood? Without writing steps, if I am solving this, I will do only one word, e to the power 3x minus e to the power minus 5x by x given. Correct now? So plus minus means directly it is tending to 0. So not a big match. I will do only one thing. I will write here plus and minus. See, only one step when we are doing MCQ. This much for your teaching. For our solving, what we will do? We will write e to the power 3x minus 1 minus e to the power minus 5x minus 1 by x. This one with this going means 3. This one with this going is minus of minus 5, 8. That's it. Over. Did you got this? In short, you have to just go this much. If you will go and start writing about this and that, it will 100% take time. Is it over? Shall we go for the next one, please? Now, next question I am giving. This question came in CBSE examination for continuity. One more guide explained this one. For you, what you have to do? This only. 1 mark means don't apply. MCQ means you are going to write Ramayana there. No. You have to just solve it. Don't write limits and nothing. Just rough section you follow, you will be able to get the answer. Direct now. So now I'm giving you one question. Do it direct and just tell me answer. After that, I will solve for everyone. But you have to do direct. Ready? Come on. Are you ready? Continuity for 1 to 2 marks or 3 marks maximum. From more than that, they don't will be asking because there are much other chapters are there which is carrying more weightage. Understood? Vectors is there, probability is there, and they are damn important more than this. Correct? Now get ready for this question. Your question is one question I'm asking from all of you. Whatever is continuous is differentiable. Am I true? Where is the stick? Bring me. Santosh, whatever is continuous is differentiable. One more time, speak. Another Santosh. No, leave it. Hey, whatever is continuous is differentiable. Am I true or joking? Understand one thing. Again, I am telling you, note down in your note, whatever is differentiable is continuous, but whatever is continuous is not differentiable. This is most important thing. Correct, Sadha? So that is absolutely correct. Like whatever is differentiable is continuous, but whatever is continuous is not differentiable. Like we can take one single example is x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 is a line. Correct now? That line x is equal to 2 will be parallel to y-axis. It is continuous. But is it differentiable? No, we can't differentiate. It is continuous. So if you prove differentiability, continuity is automatically done. So this is one important point. Did you understood this one, beta? Remembered now? So one question, because I need to ask one question. This question came in CBSE 2024. Note down this question, please. CBSE 2024 question. Write down. I will explain you. Please go for it. Sadhana, correct statement you appeared. Why you deleted here? So function f of x is equal to, check here, modulus of x plus modulus of x minus 2 is there. Done. This is what? Option first. Continuous but not differentiable. Continuous but not differentiable at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. Okay, next part is differentiable but not continuous at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. Where is Visma Maharaj? Continuous but not differentiable. Continuous but not differentiable at x is equal to 0 only. Check very carefully, beta. Neither continuous nor differentiable. Left. Neither continuous nor differentiable at x is equal to 0 and x equal to 2. Alright. There. Say the answer, please. The ball is in your hand. Now play how you want to play. I will not say anything. Without solving, if somebody will play a shot means it's a very good shot. You do one thing. Make a meeting there. Do meeting for 2-3 hours and then answer this question. I will be waiting. No problem. Hey, can I say something? You are solving this question. You are sitting and solving this question. Hey, many times I have discussed this. Hey, stop writing. But in exam, if you will sit for this question and wait for like, okay, fine, I will do. Simple concept here. Many times I have discussed this question. Stop. Intelligent work first do. See, when we talk about modulus, we have proved one thing. Whatever is the situation, modulus is continuous everywhere. Correct now? So modulus is continuous everywhere. What is the statement I gave you? I said whatever is continuous need not to be differentiable. Now, what is the power of differentiability with modulus? Modulus gives two different regions. Understood or not? So at the point, listen this carefully. At when we will check modulus of x, only for modulus x, you will be drawing like this. That means what? It is continuous everywhere. Is it continuous? Yes. Decreasing, increasing, it is continuous everywhere. But it will be differentiable. In all this region, it will be differentiable. But not differentiable at x equal to 0. Story ends here only. Understood or not? So the contact point of a modulus on x-axis, it will not be differentiable here. Rather than that, it will be differentiable everywhere. So when the contact point differentiability is failing, this differentiability is failing. Common because they did not give any x is equal to 2. The moment I am taking here, what they asked? They are asking 2 and 0. At x is equal to 2 when you will take, x is equal to 0 you will take, differentiability will fail. I want coming here, going there, contact point, differentiability gone. So simple yaar, why we are going to solve and waste time? Simple, modulus, continuous, everywhere. Differentiable, you can find differentiability here, there, but not at the point where it is touching the x-axis, failing that point. But they are specifically asking where the contact is coming, 0 and 2. So we do not have anything to check here. This we will cut like this and we will say A is the answer. Continuous, but not differentiable at x is equal to 0. Why can't we speak specific? Differentiable at x is equal to 0 and 2. Story over. We will not put more focus and waste our time in examination. And this is which year question? 2024. Write down, please. Write down, please. Small tricks will help you to write examinations. Why we are going to, an examination students will be like x is equal to 0, putting x is equal to 2, putting differentiability, left side putting differentiability, right side putting, why? Center value not differentiable, point, contact point on x-axis not differentiable. That's a concept anybody is having missed. It is this two are there, na beta. Two are there. Understood not? So two are there. Means take it differently. They have taken it differently. Did you read the question? When MCQs are given, na, your main focus should be read the MCQ options carefully. Understood? And then whatever you know that you read carefully. First read your brain. What you know about it. Continuous. We know that modulus is continuous everywhere. Modulus is continuous everywhere. Exponential is continuous everywhere. Understood? So that knowledge you are having means continuity is existing. Either it is 0 or 2. Differentiability has to be checked. And where differentiability is failing, beta? Where the modulus is touching. That's it. Story over. I rest my case. So shall we go for the next question? So cleverly you have to attempt the examination. Understood? Don't take burden in brain that you are going to write a what. Just simple concepts and yet we can deceive the part with shortcut methods. Got it? Now write next question please. This question is NCERT examiner question. I'm giving you this NCERT examiner question. Simple, not war question. Just logically solve. Don't take pen and just start doing it. Got it? So now look here. Simple method. Question is f of x is equal to mx plus 1. Done. Mx plus 1 if x is less equals pi by 2. Done. Next part. Sin x plus n if x is greater equals pi by 2. We don't know anything. They have given this. It is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2. You have to find m and n. Options are m and n. M is 1, n is 0. M is n pi plus 1. Oh. Then n is equal to m pi by 2. D is m is equal to n is equal to pi by 2. Story is yours. Play with it. Play, play, play. This is your examination. You do. I will not solve. Sadha, try this question, beta. Think nicely. I pick. Good. Answer is C. Possible. I didn't solve. See, here actually one thing is there. When continuity is existing, then left side is equal to right side. Correct now? They told already it is continuous. When it is continuous, at x is equal to pi by 2. So here pi by 2 minus and here pi by 2 plus. So same part we are going to take. See, if like me, one person will be there. Means I write x tends to pi by 2 minus MCQ now. Pi by 2 minus, it is coming mx plus 1 is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 plus, here it is coming as sin x plus n. One shot I will take and I will write here only one thing. Limit h tends to 0. Here pi by 2 minus will come. It will become pi by 2 minus h plus 1. And here limit h tends to 0. It will become sin pi by 2 plus h plus n. Correct now? Did I did any crime? Then check nicely below. Any crime I did? Left side means pi by 2 minus. Right side means pi by 2 plus. Shortcut technique, pi by 2 minus h. H tends to 0. So whenever you are writing x tends to pi by 2 minus, directly understand, write it as shortcut pi by 2 minus h. Done? So wherever x was there, specifically I wrote there pi by 2 minus h. Now beta here, just when h will become 0, is it going to affect you more? No. M pi by 2 plus 1 it is giving. Now 180 plus theta, 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta is which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, sign is positive. Since 90 is there, change of trigonometric ratio will be there, it will become cos. So it will become cos h. What it will become? Cos h plus n. And cos h, cos 0 is 1. This one or this one? N is equal to m pi by 2. That's it. So like this you have to play. Are you understanding? Some of the logical questions, say, the moment you will lose confidence in examination, na, they will stop you. Where x is there, again I am telling, left side, look here. One time Praveen, I am telling you, listen very carefully, beta. So look here, one time I am telling you, Praveen, if they have written like this, beta, x tends to pi minus. Got it? And here x plus 7 is there. Then how you are going to write next step? Limit h tends to 0. Where x is there, only that place it will become pi minus h plus 7. Because minus was there, so it will become pi minus h. Did you got this point? Minus was there, so what you wrote? Pi minus h. Okay? Done? Shall we go for the next question, please? Ready? See, next question is roller coaster, little bit roller coaster, but this question came in CBSE 2023. Are you ready for this 2023 question? Your question is, note down. See, again this question they have asked, f of x is equal to modulus of x. Now, beta, before itself, what answer you are going to say? Your options are continuous and differentiable everywhere. Is it true? Is it continuous everywhere? Yes. Is it differentiable everywhere? No. Where it is not differentiable, beta? Make this equal to 0. At x is equal to 0. So it is differentiable, but not at x equal to 0. So we can't use this statement that differentiable everywhere. Gone. Next part. B question. What is that question? Continuous and differentiable nowhere. Continuous and differentiable nowhere. Is it true? No. So this statement is also not true. It is continuous everywhere, but not differentiable at x equal to 0. Is it true? It is continuous and differentiable, but not differentiable at x equal to 0. Is it a true statement? Will not search any other option. Answer is this one. Did you got my point? How to go with this type of screenshots? Now another question, Beta. Will you get continuity nicely? Will you be able? So some questions are solving questions also. We need to focus on solving. MCQs you will be able to handle, but 4-5 MCQs again I'm giving you, that is going to trouble you. So I'm writing that question. This question is, first note on this. Noted, na? (2024) another question I'm giving you, beta. 2024. Listen, hey, why more? F of x is equal to, if you can sit here, stay here, eat here, full day means I am standing for full day and I will teach. No problem for you. But today one restriction came. So I will do that. But they told that it is continuous. Find it. Options are 0, 1 by 4, 1 and 4. Come on, go for it, please. Focus in your. Go on, do it. One thing is there, differentiability finding. One time I'll teach you how to find differentiability, okay? Otherwise, you will do Govinda and come from examination. I know you people. One pattern question I have to give you to find. See, continuity point to you people will find easily. Point of discontinuity sometimes they are asking, which is the point of discontinuity. So you have to focus. That type of question is the continuity so we will solve. Point of discontinuity also we need to find. Okay, point of discontinuity. We'll do like that also. Come on, go for it, please. Do it fast. What is the answer? It is continuous at x equal to 0 means center. X not equal to 0 means it is totally telling LHL and RHL is here only. Understood? So here LHL, RHL, center all are equal. Correct? Super Bala. Welcome back, boss. So now look here. Now look here. We will do only one work now. We'll write limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. Once we are doing like this means we need to just do one word, any side we can take. We'll take this side 0 plus, it will become a 0 plus rationalized loss 4 plus x minus 2 by x. Okay, and that will be equal to limit x tends to 0, f of x, that is k. H also you write means no change. Since it is MCQ question, direct you rationalize with 4 plus x plus 2, 4 plus x plus 2 equal to k. This a minus b, a plus b, so it will become 4 plus x minus 4 by x, 4 plus x plus 2. Now here this and this will get cancelled, x and x will get cancelled, h is equal to 0. So it will become 4 will give 2 plus 2 is equal to k. So k is equal to 1 by 4. Nice intrigue was very good. So what is the answer here? You keep counting. Now look here. Thank you for counting. So k is coming as 1 by 4. I hope everybody understood here. So k value is coming as 1 by 4. So this is one pattern question. Okay. Shall we go for another question, beta? Ready? So this is about differentiability questions, continuity questions. So continuity differentiability questions it will be coming. We should be damn sure like what we are doing first. Now solving questions we are going to do. One question I am giving you. You need to check continuity and discontinuity. See, they will not ask only that check the continuity. They'll say that which point it is discontinuous. So the point where it is failing continuity will become point of discontinuity. Correct or wrong? Where I fail, that point is my discontinuous partner. So that's what. So where I am failing continuity, it will become point of discontinuity. That's it. So don't take too much burden. We are going to solve this. Voice problem. I'm audible or not, beta? Here echo is coming. Echo. Understand that. Are you ready? One question I'm giving you to solve. Till MCQ, I was silent. Now I'm giving you to solve. I will check everyone's note. I'm coming and checking everyone's note. So you please get ready. Write the question, please. This is CBSE question. Write down. We need to check the continuity at x equal to 1 and 2. Check continuity at x equal to 1 and x equal to 2 with proper steps solved. Think I have given you for board examination. Which part beta you want me to explain? Already came in exam, so please kindly solve it. Go for it. I'll explain it. I'm solving this question and explain the entire process one shot itself. I will explain. Yeah, don't worry. I'll explain. Some very good students are here. They are first solving. If I will solve in the beginning means they will watch me only. Previous one. Previous one, what question was it? Previous one question was they already gave the question was it was for continuity. They told that the function was continuous at x equal to 0. So when any function is continuous at x equal to 0, left, right and center, the value remains the same beta. Okay. Now in that question what they have given is, just one minute, I'll write the question. Hello sir, आपकी प्रॉब्लम क्या है? The question was this only. F of x is equal to root under 4 plus x minus 2 by x when x is not equal to 0. जब x इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0 होगा ना, तो लेफ्ट और राइट जो भी आएगा वो इससे आएगा, लेफ्ट और राइट जो देंगे, अंडरस्टूड। और यहाँ पे आएंगे आपके पे सेंटर दे दिया, ठीक है। अब इसमें से ना कोई एक, क्योंकि ये लेफ्ट भी देगा और राइट भी। जब तुम सेंटर पे नहीं खड़े हो, तो या तो तुम लेफ्ट पे खड़े हो या तो तुम राइट पे खड़े हो, करेक्ट ना। सो लेफ्ट और राइट में और सेंटर में तीनों का वैल्यू बराबर हो गया। अब क्या करना है कि जब राइट वाला पार्ट है ना, उसको ले लो, जस्ट टेक द राइट पार्ट, ओके। सो व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग राइट पार्ट, व्हाट विल बिकम, limit extends to, I'm coming boss, I'm coming, equal to k, I'm going to check your note. So this also will come this only. So limit extends to 0, root under 4 plus x minus 2 by x. Okay, and this is plus. But, and that is equal to k. Directly rationalize it, correct? Because till x will be 0 in denominator, it will not be solved. So you need to just rationalize it. Rationalize करो. -2 यहाँ पे है, तो 4 plus x plus 2 up, 4 plus x plus 2 down, down is x. A minus b, a plus b. So ये क्या हो गया? This minus 2 to the 4 by x root under 4 plus x plus 2. Here limit extends to 0 ले रहा है. A4 कैंसिल, अच्छा x कैंसिल, MCQ है तो इतना स्टेप करने का जरूरत नहीं। यहाँ पे x 0 हो गया, √4 का स्क्वायर हो गया 2 प्लस 2 आ गया 1/4, एंड 1/4 किसके बराबर है? k के बराबर। That's that. Like this questions when you, how sleep is coming for you, boss? This is $1 million question from my side. Your examination is there. I am not sleeping. Okay, fine. Do it. Show me a note. Kishore done? Do it. Bring it. One, at least one you did now. Show me one there. I am teaching here. Beta, I am putting signature 0 in. Fully wrong. Fully wrong. Wrong. Break. That is wrong. That A. I told you now before itself you have to break modulus and solve. Don't look at me. If you will look at me, means I will ask where is the answer. Don't need to look at me. Show me. Break. Are you touching? I don't have stick in my hand. How I will be? Fully wrong. Enjoy. CBSE will have heart attack. Ah! Seriously, if you will sound like this means, they will say, Appa, Ma, what happened? Come on. Shall we solve? Now look at it. They gave you x is equal to first work when you are solving these type of questions. 2, 3 solving questions first I am solving. I will teach you how to do it. Correct now. They told you to check continuity at x is equal to 1 and 2. First work. Now focus here, please. Now understand modulus part whenever it is this. If question like this coming and you will not solve, their window is there. I'll kick you from here. Please solve it. Now, Kishore, Shakti plane went out of target period. Seriously, I will not serve, I'll beg. There is a saying, if continuously 1 hour you will study mathematics, now you will go mental. Today Shakti played same. What problem we solved now? CBSE. CBSE will say, Ayo, after 3 hours of examination, after 2 hours itself mental. Pakka. Hey, enough. Now look here. What and all roadmaps are needed here? They told to check continuity for x equal to 1 and 2. So one time we will take less than, another one we will take more than. Understood? So one by one we will solve because we know the behavior of modulus of x. How modulus x behaves? It is telling that minus x when x is less than 0. X when x is greater equals 0. That means whatever is inside modulus, you have to make it equal to 0. When you go left side, it will become minus. When you will go right side, it will become plus. So this is the thing we are going to follow. So when you are writing this one, we will write first here. See, that means the entire section got divided into 1 and 2. Correct? So when you are writing, see this work you do, your concept will become very clear. So this is x less than 1, x less than 1 because they told to check continuity at 1 and 2. Got it? So here x is greater equals 1 but less than 2. This is second region, and here x is greater than equal to 2. So that means when they told to check for two reasons, 1 and 2, we got how many reasons? 3 reasons. 2 points they told, we got 3 reasons. Then how we are going to do? Any value less than 1 if you will put, means x will be here less than 1. So that means modulus will open with negative sign. Modulus will open with negative sign. So this side minus x minus 1 plus is there means it will become minus x minus 2. Again I am explaining. Here modulus will open with negative because this region is less than 1 and 2 both. So both are giving negative. Here x is greater than 1. That means f of x modulus this part will open with plus but this one will open with minus. Now here the region is greater than 2. Greater than 2 any value if you will put is positive. Here also positive. So that means for this region f of x will become x minus 1 plus x minus 2. That means the entire slot is exactly for this, this and this. So here what we are going to write, solve this one. It is coming minus 2x plus 1 plus 2, minus 2x plus 3. So here it will become minus 2x plus 3 when x is strictly less than 1. Open this one, x minus 1 minus x plus 2, cancel 1. So exactly it is coming as 1 when x is greater than 1 and less than 2. Now if you solve this one, it will become 2x minus 3. The second region is 2x minus 3 when x is strictly greater than 2. Our plot is ready. So we have to just walk into this plot. Are you understanding? So once your plot is ready like this means, we will be only walking into this part. Are you understanding? So beta, what is LHL for 1? This one. What is RHL for 1? 1. What is LHL for 2? This one. What is RHL for 2? This side. Do it. Now I hope you people will be able to do. So now this is the roadmap done. Please note down for modulus you have to do this much. First you have to make center part equal to whatever inside modulus, make it equal to 0. Understood? Then less than 1. The first part is x minus 1 equal to 0. So your critical point becomes 2 critical point you have taken. 1 critical point is 1. They told to check at 1. Another point is 2. Left of 1 and right of 1. Left of 2 and right of 2. So left of 1, you are going to take this formula. Right of 1, you are going to take as 1. So now I am a student of class 12. First I did this work. After that I am going to check continuity at x equal to 1. Look at me how I am doing and checking continuity at x equal to 1. I want to get full marks, 3 marks. I want to get that 3 marks in my pocket and it's a very huge marks for me. I did not did any chapters. Some chapters I did and continuity is one of my basic chapter. Like that I am telling you, think. And then we will start. So first our roadmap was ready. We did like this. We finished like this. Any blind teacher also will be able to say that yes, the person has done proper justification. Then till here, if you will write this in, the teacher will separately understand that okay, fine, the person is having the concept. Got it? So this is what concept. After building the concept, now we will check continuity at x equal to 1. So just write checking continuity at x equal to 1. For that RHL and LHL we need. So what we will do? LHL at x equal to 1. What we are going to write? Limit x tends to 1 minus f of x. Because we will go left of 1. So left of 1 when we will write, it will become limit x tends to 1 minus what formula we are going to use? Left of 1. Left of 1 means what? Where is the arrow going? Here. What is the formula we got? Minus 2x plus 3. So here what you are going to write? Minus 2x plus 3. Understood? Now limit is having 1 minus. What you are going to write? Let x is equal to 1 minus h. Since x tends to 1 minus, therefore h tends to 0 for all h is greater equal to 0. Because when you write like this now, they can't touch any section of your paper. They just have to put one tick. You are bounding them to give full marks. So here minus 2. Here instead of x, what you are putting? 1 minus h plus 3. Now beta, h you make it equal to 0. What is coming? Minus 2 plus 3. What is coming? 1. And RHL beta? RHL at x equal to 1. What you are going to write? Limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. And beta, strictly it is coming as 1. Strictly already valued. See, right of this value is directly coming as value 1. So we need not to solve it. Directly we will write. So therefore, LHL at x equal to 1 is equal to RHL at x is equal to 1. So the function is continuous at LHL and RHL. And without solving, we know that continuity exists everywhere. Understood? So it has to exist. It has to exist. The continuity exists everywhere. That we already know now. For modulus, continuity is existing. Understood? So now beta, right side, at least for 2 you do. For 2, right? Try to do for 2 on your own. I am not going to be there in your examination hall. So whenever modulus is there means you people have to take some strict decisions to solve the questions. Come on, go for it. Praveen, understood or not? This one. Okay, I'll teach you. For 3 also I will teach. It will be good for you. Understood? See how it is found. One technique I am teaching you. Adit, hello Adit. Now look here. I am going to teach this part. First, at 2 you will be able to solve or not. Can I trust you people? First you have to take out of modulus. What did I say? Take it out of modulus and then solve. Everybody listen here. Everybody listen here. First you have to do what? Take it out of modulus and then solve. This is the first rule for solving this. And we know that modulus is continuous everywhere. So 100% it is going to be continuous. Understood? So shall I go for one time more explanation? Now look here. This part one time right. For 2 you will do or not? Tell me first. Can I trust you people? I feel fear, horror. Do. Let me look here. when they will be telling you to check continuity for some other values, contact point. So now look at, I'm just giving, noted, anybody is noting means please note down. Here for 2, what you have to write? Nothing beta. Here we just have to write 2, correct? Here also it will become 2, here it will become what? 2 minus. And with the left side, 2 minus left side value is already 1. So here directly you have to write, here x tends to 2 minus, here value is 1, so answer will become 1. And for RHL, this part is coming for RHL, so x will be equal to 2 plus h. So x tends to 2 plus h tends to 0. So here h will be 0, here it will become 2 plus h minus 3. Boss, the moment h will become 0, 4 minus 3 it is coming as 1. This is RHL. So we proved it, LHL is equal to fx is equal to 2 is RHL. This only you have to do when you have to do for x is equal to 2. Now can I do for one more and modulus? Hey, greatest integer coming means you understand one thing. Greatest integer, any decimal value given inside, directly it will switch to left side. Remember, 2.3 given means directly go to 2. Understood? So LHL, RHL, greatest integer solving one time very specifically do that. Because one question is RD Sharma is there, just now I'm recalling that type question coming is Govinda Govinda. One time we will solve that question for greatest integer. I think in NCRT this question is given for greatest integer. This question also one time you must solve x sine of 1 by x. X sine of 1 by x square. Like this they can ask questions. Continuity and differentiability. I have already taught in class. Out of all the notebooks, take out and refuse. See, whenever sin x will be there, Navita, sine of 1 by x, simple concept. It will oscillate between 0 minus 1 to plus 1. It will be continuous. It will be continuous. Whatever inside sine angle is there, it will continuously oscillate between minus 1 to plus 1. And here 0 multiplied. So 0 into oscillation between minus 1 to plus 1 automatically. I think one video I have made, I will send you that video. Just check that part. In shortcut, just see the content because this much questions one day doing is not possible. One question I am giving you, please check for modulus itself. Integer I have to teach you. I can't leave integer section. Yes, this is NCRT question, boss, and this is damn important for you people. For integer question, I am doing it today. Everything I will prove for integer section. 3 marks continuity. If any mental question they want to give me, they will put integer there. This is integer and modulus. Everybody's fear of integer and modulus, so they will give that. Integer rule first I will teach you and then I will give you. Are you ready? First tell me. First, get ready for studying more. Till 3 o'clock I will be with you means with you. It's 1:30. More 1.5 hours. I don't want to waste one single minute. The moment I will release you, some important questions are there. I'll send that question in the group. Keep wrong if that questions will not be done. Remember that. Before you reach home, that questions will be reaching you. 3 o'clock. Huh? After 3 o'clock, you can't eat. Nobody can't eat. Eclipse is coming. Me also. So 2:30 I will leave you. Or 2 o'clock. What time? Sanjana. Hi Sanjana. Huh? Life is only eating. Na? Such confidence is there. Hey, I'll leave you. Two questions more. I will leave you. At least continuity short is over now. Differentiability pattern, you know now. Hey, one differentiability pattern I will give. Then only I will leave because I don't trust series. I want my children to get good marks. Get ready, please. Now look at it. It's like if any function is given to you like x minus 1, x plus 2, and 2x minus 3. Now they will tell you to check the continuity at minus 2, 1 and 3 by 2. So these are the 3 points you have to check the continuity. First, how to draw that line now, that is most important. So first I'll teach you how to draw that line. Got it? Now look at it. This one, if you are making it equal to 0, what is coming? 1. This equal to 0 means what value is coming? Minus 2. This you are making it equal to 0, what value is coming? 3 by 2. Correct? No? 3 by 2 will come. Now, handle with care. Just understand this. If you understand this one now, you will be able to solve it nicely. Just check this one out. F of x is equal to, you write here, you do this part here, you write here like f of x is equal to 2x minus 3, or the one which is very small, x plus 2 plus x minus 1 plus 2x minus 3. Okay, now beta 3 points you got. First point is minus 2. First point is minus 2. After that point is coming as 1, and then point is coming as 3 by 2. So literally in the number line, which one is smallest, first you have to give that place. Correct? Now beta here you have to take x less than strictly minus 2. Now here x should be greater equals minus 2 but less equals 1. Here x should be greater equals 1 but less than 3 by 2. Done? Now x should be literally greater equals 3 by 2. So this is region division. Do it. This is the way to divide the region. Go for it. Got my point? Did you understand? So here, less than minus 2. Less than minus 2 means any other value you are putting, like minus 3. When you are putting minus 3 means it is coming negative. Just don't see modulus. Just see, inside value is negative. Minus 3 plus 2, negative. Minus 3 plus 2 will give you what? Instead of x, what you are putting? Minus 3. Any value less than minus 2. Any value less than minus 2. Take minus 3. So minus 3 minus 1 will become minus 4. Negative. So that means entire 3 bracket will be negative. For the lowest value, all will become negative. So here when you are writing, for x equal to minus 2, this one, this one, this one, all the 3 will open with negative. Because any value lesser than minus 2 you are taking, this will become negative, this will become negative, and that one also becomes negative. So that means here f of x will become minus x minus 1 minus x plus 2 minus 2x minus 3. Then solve it. Minus x plus 1 minus x minus 2 minus 2x plus 3. Minus minus minus, it will become minus 4x. 1 minus 2 is, 2 minus 3, it will become plus 2. So this is your first value. Got it? So when they will tell you to check continuity, so left side, what you are going to put? Left LHL for minus 2. This will become. Now greater than minus 2. Greater than minus 2 but less than 1. Which value we can take? Any value greater than minus 2. Minus 1.5 or 0. 0. So if we are putting 0, this part will become negative. If we are putting here 0, this part will become positive. If we are putting 0, this part will become negative. Understood? So when the moment I am putting here 0, this section is opening with negative sign. So now for this one I am writing f of x will become minus 2 to 1. The moment you are putting any value between minus 2 to 1, 0 comes between minus 2 to 1 now. 0 putting means this part is coming negative. So this will open with negative x minus 1. 0 putting means this is opening with positive. This will open with negative. Did you understood how to solve it? Still not understood. Any value beta between minus 2 to 1 you have to take. Put minus 2 to 1, what is coming? 0, correct? So 0 when putting, this is coming positive, negative, this is coming positive, and this is coming negative. So outside negative, positive and negative you put, open the bracket, the function is ready. So it will become minus x plus 1 plus x plus 2 minus 2x plus 3. So it is minus x plus x cancel, minus 2x, 3 plus 3 will become 6. So RHL of 2 will become this function. Did you got it? Now 1. For 1 to 1.5. Any value we will take? 1.25. Any value between 1 to 1.25. So here, if we are taking 1.25, 1.25 minus 1, plus only now. So here f of x, it will open with plus x minus 1. Here 1.25 plus this, which is again plus x plus 2. Here 1.25 into 2. Is it going to be plus or minus? Minus. Understood? So f of x for here it is coming as 2x minus 2x. 0 minus 1 plus 2, 1. 1 plus 3 will become 4. Direct. Now for this side, greater than this value means I will take 5, 6, all will become positive. X minus 1 plus x plus 2 plus 2x. Did you understood how to do region division now? Please do it. Take your time and note down. It will become 4x plus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 plus 2 is the continuity I have explained very thoroughly. Will you be able to follow continuity nicely? Differentiability rule I am giving you. For differentiability, mostly they are not asking differentiability. Till now they did not ask it. I'm sure about it. What is the formula for differentiability? Say. Whenever you will break continuity, after breaking continuity, you have to check. One question of differentiability I am solving. It will explain differentiability nicely. Okay. So whenever you will be writing LHD, means left hand derivative and right hand derivative. In differentiability, it's now 137. At least till 2:15 we can study. Your wish. If you need 5 minutes break, means I will give break and then I will start. Okay, relax out for 5 minutes, then differentiability I will start. Okay. This is okay till here? No doubt. I'm again connecting in 10 minutes, 5 minutes, not 10 minutes.